Okay, welcome to tonight's exciting installment in the relay experiments. So I had a go at building this circuit. So relay, coil, transistor, there's your 7.5 or 9.1 Zener, and then a 2.7 Zener across the output to ground. And the idea would be that this clamps the voltage to 2.7 volts. And I went off and I did this experiment, right? And what I found was that it made absolutely no difference. It did make a difference to the current draw. In other words, over when you reach a higher voltage, it did help with the current dissipation. But everything just got hot at the one time, and I ended up having to put in a current limiting resistor above this here. You can see I even was thinking about that earlier, and I really felt this was no great addition whatsoever. So I went back then and I did another experiment where I put 100 R resistors before the Zener. So in other words, mimicking last night. And I also fluted about with the two LEDs. And what I've found out since is my bench meter is actually the actual voltage that it's displaying is off a little bit. Maybe it's the cold or maybe it needs um calibration or something. But anyways, it's not quite right anyway. And what I found is that the relays trigger using this circuit, the relays trigger about 0.6, 0.7 of a volt above the Zener rating. So as I come up along here, that's actually about 8.1 volts, so on a 7.5 volt Zener. And for the second relay, it comes on at about 9.7 volts, and it's a 9.1 volt Zener. So, and what I did then was I looked at the current dissipation all the way up to 15 volts. And just using this, and that's only a 100 R in series. If you had a 470 R in series, you'd be a lot safer to a lot higher voltage. So what I think we need to actually do now is to make this work. If you wanted to make this work, what we'd have to do is get lower voltage Zeners. So what we'd need to do is get like 6 volts or 6.3 volts or something like that, and then use the 8.1 volts for the higher voltage, and then she'll work fine. I mean, it all works fine once. So anyway, that's tonight's installment.